Alright guys, if your Jetski grips look like this, worn out, cracked, and basically holding on for dear life, it's time for an upgrade. Today we're swapping out these ancient grips on this 1992 Yamaha waverunner 3 with some fresh 120mm ODI Rogue black grips. These are super grippy, comfortable, and best of all, easy to install. So let's get to it and get these bars looking and feeling like brand new. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. A Phillips head screwdriver and razor knife for removing the old grips, rubbing alcohol or brake clean to clean up the handlebar grip surface, duct tape to build up the handlebar grip surface, a 2.5mm Allen bit with extension and micro ratchet to secure grip clamps, and of course, your brand new ODI Rogue 120mm grips. These grips are made for maximum comfort and control, and honestly, they feel fantastic in your hands. Plus, they're a great fit for the waverunner 3 handlebars. Let's get these bad boys installed. The first step is removing these old crusty grips. Now if they're as old as this ski is, they're probably glued to the bars from heat. Remove the Phillips screws and washers on the end of the grips. Grab your box cutter or razor knife and carefully slice down the middle of the grip. Just watch your fingers, unless you want to add some red bloody accents to your handlebars. Once you've got a good slice, you can usually peel the grip right off. If it's stubborn, you might need a little muscle or just a pair of pliers. Now that the old grip is removed, you should clean up the bar surface. Spray some brake clean on a rag and wipe it down good. This removes any leftover dirt and grime, giving your new grips a nice surface to lock onto. Prep the new grips with lock-on clamps and test fit them on the bars. If for any reason they don't lock on tight, I recommend that you wrap a little duct tape or electrical tape around the bar surface that the clamp will grip to, and that should help it lock on more securely. Another suggestion is using a set of bar extensions, but just make sure they fit these bars before you buy them. Start with one overlapping wrap of tape around the bars and see how that does. You can always wrap them one more time if needed. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and do so. I have a lot more videos to come. I prefer to position the left side grip so the flange points downward, making it easier for your thumb to reach the start-stop buttons better. Check out my description, my kit.co page, and any links on this video for products, tools, and accessories I use and recommend. Give the grip a quick twist test just to see if it will spin on the bar. If it doesn't, you're ready to move on. If you have to use two hands like this, then you're good to go. Now it's time to do the right side. Do all the same steps we did on the left side. The only difference is you line up the cutout grip flange with the throttle lever. One of the primary reasons to clean the bar surface is to be sure the tape bonds to the bar securely. The use of tape to build up the bar surface helps prevent the need for bar extenders. If you want to get the grip end clamp to lock on tighter, you can get bar extenders for about $20 to $40 online, and they do help. If you twist the grip a little when installing it, it helps it slide over the tape easier. Once you have the grips feeling tight and secure with the clamps, you just need to be sure the throttle trigger cutout on the grip allows the trigger to open fully to the grip. The left side grip can be positioned whatever way you like. The final adjustment before you lock down the end grip clamp is to position the ODI emblem so you can read it properly. Alright, both grips are installed and feeling solid. Give them a good twist test to make sure they're locked in place. If they move at all, you can just double up the tape wrap on the bar surface, and that should allow the clamps to lock down tighter. Alright, here's a final reveal guys. Our 1992 Yamaha waverunner 3 has fresh new grips. These ODI Rogue grips add a ton of comfort and control, making your rides smoother and more enjoyable. Here's a better look at how the throttle trigger has clearance with the grip cutout. Here's another ODI grip install that I did on a Yamaha Wave Venture using the ODI Ruffian grips. As you can see here, they also look awesome and better than factory. These grips also have the cutout in them for the throttle trigger, and I did use tape to build up the bar surface. These grips are best suited for full round bars like pictured here, unless you have some kind of bar filler or extender. Here is one last look at the completed install. These look and feel so much better than the originals. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more jet ski tips, tricks, and mods. Drop a comment below if you have any grip installation hacks, or if you're rocking these ODI grips on your ski. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.